like housefly, man, mango, and wheat belong. So the taxonomic categories are these: genus, family, order, class, phylum, division. Phylum for animals and division for plants. Now there are taxonomic categories. There are taxonomic categories showing hierarchical arrangement in ascending order from from down to top, in ascending order, right? So these taxonomic categories are species, then comes the genus, then comes the family, then comes the order, then comes the class, then phylum, division, and kingdom. Okay. uh, so common name, first one is man, that is us. The biological name is Homo sapiens. Genus is the first name with capital letter in the biological name, so the Homo becomes the genus. And the second word, that is sapiens, with small letter, represents the species. Family is Hominidia. Order of man is Primata. Class Mammalia. And phylum is Chordata. Now, second organism is a housefly. Its biological name Musca domestica. Again, the first word with capital letter indicates the genus. That is Musca. And the family is Musidia. Musca Musidia. Because housefly is an insect, order is Diptera. Belongs to insecta class of phylum Arthropoda. Now, third organism is mango. So Mangifera indica. Again, genus represented by the capital letter of the first word of biological name, that is Mangifera, and the second one with small letter I indica represents the species, biological species. Family of mango Anacardiaceae. Order Sapindales. Class Dicotyledonea, and division is Angiosperms, because this is flowering plants, fruit, edible fruit, right? Now wheat, fourth organism is Triticum aestivum. First letter with capital letter, that is capital T, represents the genus, that is Triticum. Aestivum is biological species with small letter. Okay, now the family is Poaceae, order is Poales, Poaceae Poales together, above one anacardian sepindles in mango. Okay, and in family, if the last word AE, AE, that means the family. Okay, now wheat class is Monocotyledonea. Okay, because wheat smaller, so Monocotyledonea, that is single, and mango Dicotyledonea because mango is big. Remember, you can remember like that. And both the mango and wheat, these are belongs to division angiospermia, right? So we have discussed these four organisms with their taxonomic categories, their genus, family, order, class, phylum, and division. Okay. We have also seen this, the taxonomic categories in the ascending order in hierarchical arrangement, that is from bottom to top. These are species, then comes the genus, then family, then order, then class, phylum, division, and kingdom. What are species? These are group of individuals that can reproduce and mix the population. What is a genus? Genus represents the group of same species or different species. It's the same species. Let's go with their definitions. Now on this side, species, you see, what are species? So species, a group of individual organisms like us, like humans, like dogs. These are the group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities like two eyes, two eyebrows, one two ear, okay, one mouth. So these are the fundamental characters, similarities, right? And that makes the group of individual that can reproduce. So these are the species can reproduce. So species makes the population that can reproduce. Okay, so group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities are species, right? Okay, now in here we see the genus. What are genus? Genus comprises a group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. We can say that genera are aggregates of closely related species. Aggregates of closely related species. For example, potato and brinjal are two different species. Potato, Solanum nigrum. No, Solanum tuberosum. Solanum nigrum is makui. And potato and brinjal, right? So these are the two different species but belong to the genus Solanum. And lion, leopard, and tiger with several common features are all species of genus Panthera. So these genus differs from other genus Felis, which includes cats. So overall thing is genus comprises a group of related species. They can be different. Example, potato and brinjal. They are different species but belong to the same genus. So group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Other genera like Panthera in comparison to species of other genera. Leopard, tiger, and lion are different. They have less characters in common as compared to the potato and brinjal. So potato and brinjal are two different species, but they are related, which has more characters in common in comparison to species like lion, leopard, and tiger. Okay, and genus Felis includes the cats, while lion, leopard, tiger includes in the genus Panthera, and potato and brinjal into genus Solanum. So this is the genus. Genus comprises a group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Okay, now let's also see the family. So the next category after genus is the family. Now family has a group of related genera. So again, genus, a group of related genera with a still a less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. So family has a group of related genera with a still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. So as you go from species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, division, from bottom to top, similarities becomes decrease. So this is why a group of related genera with a still a less number of similarities as compared to genus and species is the family. Okay, is the family. Okay, is the family. Let's see the order. Let's see the order. Like species, genus, and families are based on a number of similar characters. Are based on number of similar characters like potato and brinjal. They look same almost. So based on a number of similar characters. Now generally order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified based on the aggregates of characters. It means the characters come together and make a classification. So this is the aggregates of characters. Now order being a higher category is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters. As I told, from bottom to top, from species to kingdom in ascending order. Common characters becomes less, it decreases, right? Okay, the similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in a family. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in a family. So overall order has less similar characters, so can identified based on aggregates of characters. So these are the orders. Okay, so these are the orders. Class includes related orders, and classes comprise animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, constitute the next higher category called phylum. So this was the taxonomic categories: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum.